One of the new features of FASTSUITE 2023 is the possibility to do multiple point modification. With the new feature, you can simply select one of the points, then select the others manually, or simply make a selection box and select them. Then afterwards, you can use your teach manipulator and then here enter the value manually that you want to offset it from the original. So in this case, I want it to be 10 millimeters going down in the set. I can simply enter the value, click enter, and all of the points will be modified at the same time. As part of this feature, we have also updated our toolpath panel. So I can, for example, go here to my Cartesian coordinates and then go to the X section and say, I'm going to modify the values of all of this relative to the current position, let's say 15 millimeters. When I click it, all of the points get modified, and then I can stack these modifications on top of each other. I can send it afterwards. You know what? I want to modify the Z or the Y. I want to add another 15 millimeters. I want to modify the external axis, and you don't have to worry about keeping track of these modifications. They just keep stacking on the top of each other.